Today we're going to discuss how to create a Blazor QR code scanner. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're building a QR code scanner in Blazor using the IronQR library. Users upload a QR code image, hit scan, and the decoded value comes back instantly with the one-click copy button to use it straight away. It's clean, practical, and not a lot of code. So let's get into it. IronQR is already installed, version 2025.11.4 via NuGet. This is the package doing the QR reading work. And if you're coming from IronBarcode, the API pattern will feel super familiar. In index.razor, we have our page directive and imports at the top, IronQR for scanning, IronSoftware.drawing for image handling, and IGS runtime injected for clipboard access. The UI has 4 elements: an InputFile component for the upload, a conditional image preview once a file is selected, a scan button that stays disabled until a file is chosen, and a results section that shows the decoded text with a copy button alongside it. The disabled state on the scan button is a small detail that makes the UX feel considered rather than rough. Our key variables: selected file holds the uploaded file. File selected is the Boolean that controls the scan button state. QR image source stores the server-side file path for the scanner to use. And QR image source for display holds the base64 encoded version for rendering in the browser. And scan text holds whatever the QR code decodes to. 2 separate image references, one for the scanner, one for the display. It's worth understanding. The browser can't read a server path directly, so the base64 version handles the preview. Handles selected file runs when the user picks a file. We store the file, flip the file selected to true, and create an uploaded image directory in www.root if it doesn't already exist. We generate a unique file name using a GUID, and that prevents collisions if multiple users are scanning simultaneously. Then we're going to save the file to a server. After saving, we do 2 things: store the path for the scanner and convert the image to a base64 data URL for the browser preview. That conversion is what lets us display the image in line without needing a separate API endpoint. So scan QR code is where IronQR does the work. We check that we have a solid image path and then load the image using any bitmap. That's Iron Software's cross-format image class that handles PNG, JPEG, and others without you having to care about the format. We wrap it into QR image input, initialize a QR reader, and call read. That returns a collection of QR results. We take the first one and check it if it has value. If yes, it goes to a scan text. If not, we surface a message to the user. Everything is in a try-catch, so a corrupt or unreadable image doesn't crash the session. Then copy to clipboard is 1 line of JavaScript interop. Navigator.clipboard.write text passed through IGS runtime. Copies scan text to the clipboard so users can immediately paste the decoded value wherever they need it. This is a small feature with high utility. So let's run it and see the full flow. All right, the scanner interface loads. Clean, minimal. We click choose file, select demo.png, and hit scan QR code. And the result appears almost immediately. Decoded URL is ironsoftware.com/cs#/barcode. Hit copy, and it's on the clipboard, ready to paste. That's the complete user journey: upload, scan, copy in about 3 clicks. That, my friends, is the full build. File upload, server-side processing with IronQR, browser-safe image preview, and a clipboard integration. From here, you could easily extend this to handle multiple QR codes in a single image, add batch upload support, or wire the decoded values directly into a database or form field. All right, we hope that was useful. Please subscribe if you want some more from Iron Software. We have plenty more coming. And if you want to try IronQR yourself, grab a free trial using the link in the description below. Install the package, run through the code, and you'll have a working QR scanner in Blazor up and running in no time.